Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.